Hi everyone, this is Kripa from the College of Engineering. So, in the series of servlets, we already discussed the first step, which is servlet is loading. We can also call it as servlet is born. So, what could be the next step? So, what is initialization? I have already mentioned INIT. This is a keyword, like it is an initialization. It is commonly called INIT. So what is under the second stage, which is the initialization, the have to be initial. Servlet is initialized successfully. Servlet initiated servlet object. The container initialized by invoking some method, like it could be Java servlet dot init, which is initial. So and then servlet configure. So what is servlet configure? Which is nothing but the method configure has followed. So method only once immediately after the init servlet configure object is initialized successfully. This method is used to initialize the resources such as the database. The common initializing so service servlet configuration. So which is nothing but we are going to configure some data. So what could be the data which are in method called by servlet container? Servlet instance is installed, initialized successfully, and is about to put into service. So we all know that what is a service. So what is done in this is service begins here. So what is this method is called only once. Load is called in its lifetime. Therefore, connected architecture code is inside its because we only want once to get connected with the database. So now question arises in that, right? So what it since constructed once in its end, just imagine if the connection does not get established, then we can throw an exception. Then but it use through its prototype. Otherwise, it is a this method is used only one parameter, that is a, configure object. Method has a possibility of a servlet type. Once a servlet initial so the prototype for method it could be like public void init of servlet configure con. So we can use it as a servlet configure object. So I just which is from configure. So throws we all know that what is the use of this. So throws servlet exception. So here also we have some questions. Connected to use a non-parameterized version of image instead of a parameterized version. That is, there must be some valid reason for this. When the lifecycle method of servlet starts executing, that when a public void init throws servlet exceptions get called, then our class public init throws servlet exception called, but to run the code which initialize servlet configure is written inside HTML server. So public void init servlet configure code through servlet exception, that is coding of class exception. So here we know that total three init class calls to make. First init gets class, then HTTP servlet classes, iterate version of HTTP servlet classes. Basic of some initialization init method. So that's our cover section. Thank you.